Okay, so you're welcome once again. This is the number one in Holy Say teacher Kwame here. We are here to have another lesson on how to install the Microsoft Office on our Windows. That's Windows SP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, 10 Pro, or whatsoever. But first of all, we need to have our file. You need to download a file. The application itself is set up in whatsoever, for whether you download it from somewhere or whatever. So I'm going to locate my downloaded file. It is at local DC, so I'm looking for it. I'll go and locate it. That is a Microsoft Office application. Now I'll move on to programs. That is where all my programs are. So I have a lot of programs here. I have a lot of them. I have Microsoft Office 2010, Microsoft Office, this is 2016. I have OpenShot video and then whatsoever. So that is Microsoft Office 2016. I have OpenShot video editor, WinRAR, Opera setup and whatsoever. More applications here. So that is my application files here. So now I am going to select the Microsoft Office 2016. That is what I want to install, but that is Microsoft Office 2010 also occupying the space of 656 megabyte. So should in case I want to install Microsoft Office 2016 too, so these are the files. The files should have a setup inclusive, so you can see the setup there, and the setup itself is the application. So let's try how to install the Microsoft Office 2016. But the Microsoft Office 2016 too, we have the 32 and then 64-bit operating system software. So now I have the 32 here. So you click on setup, you double click on it, and then it will be loading. Let's wait for it as it loads. So I double click on it, or I left click twice on it. So I want to run this as an administrator on my Windows. So I've double click on it and waiting for it to load. The system is not responding, so let's wait a while as it is loading. The application is loading for installation. Good. So it's loading for installation. It is loading for installation. Okay, so it has come now. A dialog box asking us whether you want to install the application or not. So that is our dialog box. Okay, so now we are going to click on yes under the dialog box, so that we'll be able to install our applications. Now we have click on yes. Sorry that it couldn't come. We are fetching the information from my local disk, the hard disk, so that we could be able to install it properly. So extracting files, please wait. So we're waiting for the files to be extracted into the system so that we could be able to install it properly. Okay, so that is it. We want to install a Microsoft Office application on our Windows. I'm using Windows 10 Pro. That is my Windows that I've installed or established on this. Okay, good. So that is it. Okay, it is still extracting the files. So the files have been extracted. Okay, so the file has finished being extracted from my local disk. Now it is ready to be launched to be installed. Now the installation is about starting. Please wait while setting. Good. So this is a direct but choose the installation you want. So please choose your preferred type of Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2010 installation now. So we click on install now. Customize. We don't want to customize. We can customize Microsoft Office. That is if you want it to be solely yours. So you click on install now. Good. So that is installation progress. So now the installation has started. That is installing Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2010. So we want to install Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2010. So that is the installation that has started. It has started, just that it hasn't started. sooner than later is going to begin. Good. So that is our installation which has started. Yes, the system is responding, and then the installation will start. Yes, it has started uploading. It started. Good. So it has started. It wouldn't keep long. It is going to take not less than 10 minutes, or at least 10 to about 12 or 15 minutes for you to finish the installation. And see that Microsoft Office that is being installed here entails a lot. It entails a lot. We're going to have a lot out of this. So the installation is in progress. We're going to have a lot out of this. So Microsoft Office Professional Plus includes a lot. We'll be getting Microsoft Word from it. We shall be getting Microsoft PowerPoint. We shall be getting OneNote. We shall be getting Microsoft presentation or publisher, and then we shall be getting Access. Yes, Microsoft Access. All these things are included in this application. That is the Microsoft Office 2010, for which we are installing. So we're getting all these things. So that is why its installation keeps a little while. As I said, it's going to take about 10 to 15 minutes. Good. For it to finish installing. So as you can see, the installation is still in progress, loading. So it will be loading to 100%, and then finish the installation. It wouldn't keep long. That is simple as that. It is simple as that. So as I said, we are going to get Microsoft Access 2010 in this application that we're installing. We're going to Microsoft Clip Organizer. Yes, that is also going to be achieved. We'll be getting Microsoft Spreadsheet or the Excel 2010. We're getting Microsoft InfoPath Design, Microsoft InfoPath Filter tool. Will be gotten the Microsoft Office 2010. Its launch will also be achieved, and then we shall have Microsoft Office Picture, Microsoft Office OneNote. That is for Microsoft Office 2010. We shall be getting Outlook, Microsoft Office Outlook, Microsoft Office Publisher, Microsoft Office SharePoint, and then Microsoft Word will also be achieved. All these are included in this application for which we are installing. So gradually it is moving. Sooner than later we shall be finishing with this. It wouldn't keep long. Okay, so that is our Microsoft Office application being installed on our Windows. So you can install this on Windows XP. You can install this on Windows 7, on Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 10 Pro as I am using. So I'm installing this on my Windows 10 Pro. All these windows follow the same procedure as we have gone through allocating the file you have downloaded from the website or from a friend or from another computer. You locate it, and then you need to have a setup. As we click on the setup, and now it is installing progressively. So let's wait it for it to finish being installed, as it needs a little bit time for it to finish the installation. So it gradually moving. Gradually it is moving. It's moving. Good. So it's gradually going. You have to wait for it to finish the installation. Good. It is moving successfully. That is Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2010 being installed. Now you can also install other Microsoft Professional Plus system that is like that of 2013 and that of 2010 and that of Microsoft Office 7. All those can be installed, but all follow the same procedure. Just to follow this step-by-step procedure, it's just that you have to take a while for this to finish the installation. Now it's left about a few minutes for this to finish the installation. Few minutes to go. Yes, few minutes to go. It's left a few minutes to go. Okay, so we're waiting on it to finish the installation. As we don't want to cancel it because we want to use it, have an effective use of it, as we'll be benefiting from it greatly. We'll be able to use this to type our letters, our memos, our resume, whatever, using the Microsoft Word. The Microsoft PowerPoint will also be used for presentations, whether in class or as a teacher. You can use the Microsoft PowerPoint. As an individual, the Microsoft PowerPoint can be used, as well as the Microsoft spreadsheet that we are going to get out of this Microsoft Office 2010 application could also be used for calculations, either in schools or as a businessman. You could use the Microsoft Excel also to do your calculations and what have you. And as well, Microsoft Publisher could also be used to design letterheads, could be used to design envelopes. It could be used to create a CV, curriculum retire, and all sort of things. As well, we'll be getting Microsoft Access that will help us to communicate with other people on the internet, as well as Microsoft OneNote that will also help us to combine all our notes into one form. We shall be combining it into one form. And then simply we shall have a simple notes using Microsoft Office OneNote. So all these features are there. Microsoft Office pictures will also help us to view our pictures nicely on our windows, and a lot of things could be achieved from this Microsoft Office application that we're installing. Okay, so as I said, it is almost done. It will be finishing sooner. It will be finishing sooner than later. Sooner, very soon it will be finished. Yes, it is done. Good. The installation is done. That is it. Thank you for installing Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2010. To use an Office program, open the Start menu, find the Microsoft Office folder, and click the program icon. Good. So that is the simple instruction that is being given. Then complete your Office experience. This can be continued online, but we are not going to continue, so you click on close. Now we want to launch the program and see whether it has successfully been installed. So go to the start button, and then you look for Microsoft. Go to all apps, click on all apps. We are going to look for Microsoft Office all apps. Good. So it has loaded. That is it. Microsoft Word is there. You can open it and see Microsoft Office 2010 upload is there, and that we have a lot of things that we've got now. So let's look at Microsoft Office. You see that is there. You click on it. As I was saying, we shall have Microsoft Access 2010, Clip Organizer, Excel 2010, Info Pad Design, more Microsoft Office OneNote. I will look PowerPoint Publisher, Word, Microsoft Word. So you can click on that and see whether it will launch. Yes, I've clicked on it and it is going to launch. It is going to launch. It is launching. That is Microsoft Word 2010. Good. So we are launching Microsoft Word. It is opening. Microsoft Word 2010 starting. Good. So that is Microsoft Word 2010. It's nice outlook and a nice appearance. Good. So let's close it. So that is all on how to create Microsoft Office, or how to install it on your Windows. PowerPoint 2 is available. You can search for it, PowerPoint 2016. PowerPoint 2010. So I've already installed this thing also on my system, on my Windows. So this is all. That is a step-by-step way of installing Microsoft Office on your Windows, whether Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, 10 Pro or whatsoever. So thank you. This is your one and only teacher Kwame. Thank you very much. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for a quick reminder on videos I upload on YouTube. Likewise, as you subscribe, like, share and give a comment. Thank you.